Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem to cash from your Swagbucks rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Swagbucks application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can start completing various different offers and surveys. Now, the top left corner, where you will see the menu button, is also where you can find the total Swagbucks that you have made. If you have enough Swagbucks, then in order to redeem this, click on the Redeem SB option, and this will now show you the various different methods by which you can redeem your Swagbucks. Just scroll towards the right to find various different payment methods. You can withdraw through PayPal, Pioneer, as well as Amazon and various other payment methods. After choosing the appropriate payment method that you wish to proceed with, go ahead and choose your desired amount and tap on the Redeem button. After tapping on Redeem, you will be asked to enter the credentials of this payout method. After entering the payout method credentials, and after these information has been verified, the payout process will begin, and it may take a while depending on the payment method that you have selected in order to redeem and receive your payment. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to withdraw to cash the earnings that you have made on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.